Welcome back to the channel Cat Red, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to easily make this home model or an office model or just a simple model in SketchUp. So basically when you import the plan in AutoCAD, first thing that you do is delete this human because it will uh, unnecessary give you burden on see when you do a select all, which is control all. So coming back to the topic, how to easily make this. So this you have to select, you have to do is press X, which is the shortcut of explode. If you don't know how to add shortcuts, then I have a separate video on it. So after exploding the plan, what you have to do is you have to delete all the unnecessary lines that come in between of making a seamless wall. This is a whole seamless wall right over here. Also we'll delete this line also. So now we have an perfect seamless wall. We don't even need these lines, and which is right over here. So now we have a complete seamless wall line. So then you have to do is connect any 2 points and make the face, then select the whole thing, and then you have to go is this extension of which is named as face up, and in that you have to press on the thing called extruder, and then you have to mention the height that you want of all the walls, which is on the top bottom right corner of the screen. And after that you have to do this. Let's say a general size is always 3000. You just have to press enter and enter two times, and your model will be ready in perfect groups, which is right over here. So this is what one block look like, and that just took me like 60 seconds to do this. So this is how easy it is to make a model in SketchUp with the help of the extension named as face up. If you want to read the name also, which is like this, FECE, U capital, and face up, the three icons look like this. So this is